This is a beginner's guide to using Zoom. If you're new to Zoom, this video will teach you the basics of the Zoom desktop app or the web browser, including how to start a new meeting and use the chat feature. So first, you need to go ahead and download the Zoom desktop application for free from zoom.us/download, or you can also go to zoom.com first and then sign up for free. Tap on sign up in the top right corner of your screen. And if you already have an account, you can tap on sign in. I'm going to use my Google account to sign in to the Zoom. Once you've logged into your account, you'll be taken to the Home tab, and this tab provides an overview of your meeting schedule and shortcuts to start, join, schedule, or share your screen. Your personal meeting ID is over here, and you can copy it and share with anyone to start a meeting. And you can tap on My Account from the left-hand side of the screen and then go to Settings. And here you can adjust your setting according to your preference. Now let's talk about starting a new call. Click on the Meetings option. And if you want to schedule a meeting, tap on Schedule a Meeting option. And here, enter your topic, the date, duration, your time zone, and go through other different sections over here and then tap on Save. And if you want to join a meeting and you're in the home page, go ahead, tap on this Join button in the top right corner of your screen and tap on Join. This will open a new interface where you need to enter your meeting ID or your personal link name and then tap on Join. You can also choose whether to disable your audio or video before joining. And during a Zoom call, you can mute or unmute your microphone. Once you're inside a meeting and if you want to unmute yourself, tap on this audio icon over here and you'll be unmuted. And after talking, you can tap on the same microphone button to mute yourself. Now, if you want to chat with someone, tap on this chat icon over here, which is between participants and React. Then tap on New Chat and write the name of the participant to whom you want to chat and then type your message over here and tap on Send. You can also view the participants of the meeting. Tap on the participants option and a menu will appear that will display all of your participants that has joined the meeting. And if you want to send reactions or raise your hand, you can tap on this React option and tap on Raise Hand or Be Right Back. And there are also other different emojis to react with. And if you're the host, there is also the option of Host Tools, which will let you lock the meeting, enable waiting room, hide profile pictures, and allow all participants to share screen, chat, rename themselves, unmute, start video, share whiteboards, notes, collaborate with the Zoom apps, or share real-time meeting content with the apps, and also set meeting timers, record to their computer, and request to record to their computer. You can also suspend participant activities, which is by tapping on this option over here, which is highlighted in red color. And there is the icon of More, which will let you record your meeting, enable captions, share documents, notes, whiteboard, apps, and also let you see the meeting info as well. And another great feature is that you can transfer the meeting to Room. And now once you're done with the meeting and you want to end the meeting, tap on this End option, or you can also enter Alt plus Q in your keyboard and the meeting will be ended instantly. The text varies depending on whether you're the host, and host can end the meeting for everyone. That covers the basics of using Zoom. If you want to use Zoom on a mobile device, you can follow the same steps, but first you need to download the Zoom application from your Play Store or App Store. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.